مجھے جانا چاہیے. I should go. I should go. تمہیں آنا چاہیے. You should go. You should go. اسے پڑھنا چاہیے. He should study. He should study. ہمیں کام کرنا چاہیے. We should work. We should work. آپ کو سچ بولنا چاہیے. You should tell the truth. You should tell the truth. مجھے جلدی سونا چاہیے. I should sleep early. I should sleep early. تمہیں محنت کرنی چاہیے. You should work hard. You should work hard. اسے ڈاکٹر کے پاس جانا چاہیے. He should go to the doctor. He should go to the doctor. ہمیں نماز پڑھنی چاہیے. We should pray. We should pray. آپ کو پانی پینا چاہیے. We should drink water. We should drink water. مجھے انگریزی سیکھنی چاہیے. I should learn English. I should learn English. تمہیں وقت پر آنا چاہیے. تمہیں وقت پر آنا چاہیے. You should come on time. You should come on time. اسے آرام کرنا چاہیے. He should rest. He should rest. ہمیں صفائی رکھنی چاہیے. We should keep clean. We should keep clean. آپ کو انتظار کرنا چاہیے. You should wait. You should wait. مجھے معافی مانگنی چاہیے. I should apologize. I should apologize. تمہیں کتاب پڑھنی چاہیے. You should read a book. You should read a book. اسے سچ سننا چاہیے. He should hear the truth. He should hear the truth. ہمیں جلدی نکلنا چاہیے. We should leave early. We should leave early. آپ کو مدد کرنی چاہیے. You should help. You should help. مجھے دوبارہ کوشش کرنی چاہیے. I should try again. I should try again. تمہیں سوال پوچھنا چاہیے. You should ask a question. You should ask a question. اسے جواب دینا چاہیے. He should answer. He should answer. ہمیں بچت کرنی چاہیے. We should save money. We should save money. آپ کو ورزش کرنی چاہیے. You should exercise. You should exercise. مجھے کم بولنا چاہیے. I should talk less. I should talk less. تمہیں زیادہ سننا چاہیے. You should listen more. You should listen more. اسے جلدی اٹھنا چاہیے. He should wake up early. He should wake up early. ہمیں سچ کہنا چاہیے. We should speak truth. We should speak truth. آپ کو غور کرنا چاہیے. We should think. We should think. مجھے فون کرنا چاہیے. I should call. I should call. تمہیں گھر جانا چاہیے. You should go home. You should go home. اسے پڑھنا چاہیے. He should teach. He should teach. ہمیں سمجھنا چاہیے. We should understand. We should understand. آپ کو یاد رکھنا چاہیے. You should remember. You should remember. مجھے لکھنا چاہیے. I should write. I should write. تمہیں بولنا چاہیے. You should speak. You should speak. اسے کرنا چاہیے. اسے رکنا چاہیے. He should stop. He should stop. ہمیں چلنا چاہیے. We should walk. We should walk. آپ کو بیٹھنا چاہیے. You should sit. You should sit. مجھے کھانا کھانا چاہیے. I should eat food. I should eat food. तुम्हें पानी लाना चाहिए. You should bring water. You should bring water. उसे दरवाज़ा बंद करना चाहिए. He should close the door. He should close the door. हमें दरवाज़ा खोलना चाहिए. We should open the door. We should open the door. आपको यहाँ रहना चाहिए. You should stay here. You should stay here. मुझे देर नहीं करनी चाहिए. I should not be late. I should not be late. तुम्हें झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए. You should not lie. You should not lie. उसे लड़ना नहीं चाहिए. उसे लड़ना नहीं चाहिए. He should not fight. He should not fight. हमें शोर नहीं करना चाहिए. We should not make noise. We should not make noise. आपको फिक्र नहीं करनी चाहिए. You should not worry. We should not worry. मुझे हंसना चाहिए. I should smile. I should smile. तुम्हें खुश रहना चाहिए. You should stay happy. You should stay happy. उसे सीखते रहना चाहिए. उसे सीखते रहना चाहिए. He should keep learning. He should keep learning. हमें आगे बढ़ना चाहिए. We should move forward. We should move forward. आपको फैसला करना चाहिए. You should decide. You should decide. मुझे सच मानना चाहिए. I should escape the truth. I should escape the truth. तुम्हें बदलना चाहिए. You should change. You should change. उसे समझना चाहिए. He should explain. He should explain. हमें माफ करना चाहिए. We should forgive. We should forgive. आपको रुक जाना चाहिए. You should stop. You should stop. मुझे सब्र करना चाहिए. I should be patient. I should be patient. तुम्हें हिम्मत रखनी चाहिए. You should be brave. You should be brave. उसे बेहतर बनना चाहिए. He should improve. He should improve. हमें कोशिश करनी चाहिए. We should try. We should try. आपको हार नहीं माननी चाहिए. You should not give up. You should not give up. मुझे रास्ता पूछना चाहिए. I should ask the way. I should ask the way. तुम्हें इजाज़त लेनी चाहिए. You should take permission. You should take permission. उसे बुलाना चाहिए. He should call. He should call. हमें पहुंचना चाहिए. We should reach. We should reach. आपको देखना चाहिए. You should see. You should see. मुझे सुनना चाहिए. I should listen. I should listen. तुम्हें समझना चाहिए. You should understand. You should understand. उसे मानना चाहिए. He should escape. He should escape. हमें रुकना नहीं चाहिए. We should not stop. We should not stop. आपको जल्दी करनी चाहिए. You should hurry. You should hurry. मुझे तैयार होना चाहिए. I should get ready. I should get ready. तुम्हें इंतज़ार नहीं करना चाहिए. You should not wait. You should not wait. उसे फ़ोन उठाना चाहिए. He should pick the phone. He should pick the phone. हमें साफ रखना चाहिए. We should keep it clean. We should keep it clean. आपको बात ख़त्म करनी चाहिए. You should finish talking. You should finish talking. मुझे दुआ करनी चाहिए. I should pray. I should pray. तुम्हें याद करना चाहिए. You should remember. उससे बैठना चाहिए. He should sit down. He should sit down. हमें वापस जाना चाहिए. We should go back. We should go back. आपको इजाज़त देनी चाहिए. You should allow. You should allow. मुझे कोशिश जारी रखनी चाहिए. I should keep trying. I should keep trying. तुम्हें सच सुनना चाहिए. You should hear the truth. You should hear the truth. उसे दरवाज़ा खटखटाना चाहिए. He should knock the door. He should knock the door. हमें मिल बैठना चाहिए. We should sit together. We should sit together. आपको मुस्कुराना चाहिए. You should smile. You should smile. मुझे अच्छा बनना चाहिए. मुझे अच्छा बनना चाहिए. I should be good. I should be good. तुम्हें अच्छा सोचना चाहिए. You should think good. You should think good. उसे गलती माननी चाहिए. He should admit the mistake. He should admit the mistake. हमें शुक्रिया कहना चाहिए. We should say thanks. We should say thanks. आपको सीखते रहना चाहिए. You should keep learning. You should keep learning. मुझे वापस आना चाहिए. I should come back. I should come back. तुम्हें जल्दी करना चाहिए. You should be quick. You should be quick. उसे शुरू करना चाहिए. He should start. He should start. हमें ख़त्म करना चाहिए. We should finish. We should finish. आपको खुश रहना चाहिए. आपको खुश रहना चाहिए. You should stay happy. You should stay happy.